Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the new project for patient feedback analysis based on machine learning and natural language processing. So here we have three main buttons. For this button for feedback given by patient, this for staff login, this is admin panel. So firstly we will give feedback using patient name. So we will select here department, any staff name. So give the rating, bad behavior, or anything. You can write any feedback, and we will submit that and just log out. And this feedback will go to both the staff member and even the admin. In staff member, it will go to the doctor to whom we have given the feedback. For example, here we gave to doctor one. See, total overall feedbacks are 25 for doctor one. Positivity is to 9, neutral is 7, negativity is 9. So our feedback will be here. I think we have given to second person. So let's check out back admin panel. So here overall feedbacks will be see. So we add here a new doctor DOC 0155. Doctor name as PROJ, department XYZ, specialization general, PROJ, CSC, PROJ XYZ, gmail.com, mobile number 939483558172, and password as just we'll add a doctor and it will list at the bottom. And we'll just log out and go to patient and give any PATINT patient 01 with ID 001, login, general, staff as project doctor, good feedback, very good doctor, nice treatment, submit. Thank you for the submission. We'll go back and check by login our what was the doctor name DOC 01555. See, project as Dr. XYZ, ID is 0, one feedback, one positive feedback, neutral is 0, negative is 0, positive, positive, average, average. And in feedback, we can see who gave feedback. Very good, doctor, nice treatment. In analysis, we could say medical care 1. Very good, good, doctor, nice treatment. All are positive. Similarly, in admin, we can say everyone's feedback here. Here we can see top 3 doctors as the first because I have 5 rating. Kavita Singh has 3.48 rating. Nisha Verma has 3.25 rating. Overall 24 feedback for her, 21 feedback for him. Her and mine is for 1 feedback. And in feedbacks, same. The latest will show at the bottom. See, these are overall feedback, and you can clear full and everything will wipe out. See, out, and that's all. Thank you so much.